so today I'll show you what I eat in a day and what Ellie eats in a day. She's getting hungry, so let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, this was an impromptu video idea that I had as I got ready this morning. I thought it would be fun to take you guys along. So right now, Ellie is devouring her eggs. I do sprinkle some cheese on top and she just loves them. And this is her plate. So she already ate a lot of her eggs. And then I have whole milk yogurt and banana. Now she's wanting more. These are the rest of our eggs that we had in the fridge from, I think it was yesterday that I made them. So I'll go ahead and make myself some more eggs and I'll show you what I'm going to eat. So I'm making these eggs and Eliana is almost done with her food. Where did all of it go? Where did all of it go? She ate all her eggs. She's almost done. That's what's left of half of her banana. You're hungry. And then she ate some of her yogurt, but she'll have more of that when I have a chance to feed her. I'm just busy making my eggs right now. And this morning when I got up around 6:45. I try to get up before Ellie just to give me some time in the morning to get ready or to devos or whatever. And so I chugged some water when I got up in the morning and then I fixed myself some coffee. And no, I don't make my coffee very healthy. I put some Italian sweet creamer in with my coffee, but it makes it really yummy. And then I'm just adding some cheese. And so here's the rest of my coffee and orange juice and 2 little egg burritos with some salsa and cheese. I like to have protein in the morning, otherwise I am starving by mid-morning. So I'll have this and then I'll make myself a smoothie. And then Eliana is beside me playing with her little toy and I'm gonna try to feed her the rest of her yogurt. Say hi, Ellie. She's looking at the birds outside. So I forgot to mention that Ellie is completely weaned. Yeah, she pretty much weaned herself. And so I try to give her a really good balanced diet. Blink, blink, blink. Happy girl. She belongs to the Clean Plate Club. She ate her whole breakfast. Yay! And so did Mommy. So now I'm going to make my smoothie. I use a berry medley. This is from Aldi. A banana, almond butter, spinach, almond milk, and some chia seeds. Ellie likes it too. So right now, Ellie's having a snack. She's having these little teether crackers, and she loves those. So she's eating that while I get lunch ready. So So for my lunch, I'm going to make avocado toast, but I'm going to turn it into a sandwich and put some deli meat and cheese in it as well. So right now I have half of a ripe avocado, salt, pepper, and then maybe a little bit more than a half teaspoon of minced garlic. I love my minced garlic. So I'll go ahead and mash all this together, put it on toast with some tomatoes, lunch meat and cheese, and then kind of throw it in the toaster again to melt the cheese, and it's a delicious sandwich. And there's the avocado all mashed up with a fork. Ellie's below me playing in the cabinet, so if you hear banging and noise, that's what that is. Just keeping her busy. So here's the avocado toast, and I will put some salt and pepper on here. Which one is this? There's some salt. And I'll put some pepper. Just a little bit more. And then I'll add my lunch meat and cheese and stick it back in the toaster. I love these salad kits that you can get at Aldi. You can get them at other grocery stores too. But I love these because they're so easy and delicious. So I'll go ahead and get this put together. So this is my finished lunch that I made. So here's the avocado lunch meat sandwich. So there's toasted bread with avocado, tomato, and there's lunch meat in there and cheese. I popped this all in the toaster oven and it toasted and melted the cheese. So that will be delicious. And then I also made a little yogurt parfait with yogurt, some fruit, granola, and chia seeds. And then I have some water, and then the salad from the salad kit. And there's some wonton strips and almonds and sesame dressing that was in that kit. And Ellie's over here. You want more? Here, I'll get her some more. So I have some steamed vegetables. It's broccoli, cauliflower, carrots. I sprinkled some cheese on it just to help her eat it. And she seems to enjoy it. She's eating her broccoli right there. So we've got her vegetables, and then for fruit I have the clementine and also prune, apple, butternut, squash baby food. I gave her that yesterday to help with her poops, and it definitely helped, I think. And so she's just gonna finish that, and then some Baby Bell cheese and some chicken. It's crock pot chicken that I cooked in the crock pot with chicken broth, and I just blended it with some sweet potato that I had baked yesterday. So I blended that together. She doesn't really like sweet potato, but hopefully she will like this all mixed up together. So that will be her lunch. So Ellie wasn't really feeling her lunch today, but I gave her a taste of my avocado, and she usually does not like avocado, but I gave her a taste of that and she loved it. So I mixed up her own little mixture. I added garlic and salt and pepper and the avocado. So that's the rest of the half of the avocado that I had. And I mixed it with the chicken mixture, and she seems to like that. Yum, yum. Yum. This is one way I'll get her to eat avocado. Yay! She's so excited. Yeah, let's try a little bit more of that. Yum. So that's how much of the chicken she ate, and she ate all that avocado. That was half of an avocado. She liked it. Yay! And most of her vegetables ended up on the floor, but she did eat some of those. And now she's working on her baby back trees. Yay! Okay, so to start out for Ellie's dinner, she is eating these ground turkey meatballs, and she is loving it. I didn't even have time to put her bib on or strap her in, but I will do that here after this, but I'm right next to her. Basically, oh goodness, you love those. I mixed together ground turkeys, cup of spinach that I chopped into little pieces, and then a medium sweet potato that I had baked yesterday, 1/4 of a cup of baby food. I did apple, carrot, sweet potato baby food, and there was some other stuff in there. I think maybe some chia seeds or something. And I did 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. There she goes. Oh goodness. And then a clove of minced garlic. She wants to share with everybody. I got her strapped in and got her bib on. So anyways, that is all that is in the meatballs. I baked them at 350 for about 23 minutes. The recipe called for 20 minutes, but they still seemed kind of soft when I got them out, so I did it for 23. But she loves them. I will freeze most of them, and here's more that it made. I will freeze most of these and then take them out as needed. As she eats them, I'll put some in the fridge, but freeze most of them. Be an easy meal, and she loves it. Yum. So again, I was not planning on filming this video today, so this is a realistic what we eat in a day. And for dinner, I will show you that. So just super simple. We had some crock pot chicken left over from yesterday. It was chicken cooked in the crock pot with chicken broth. And then I made some couscous. I think it's rosemary, garlic couscous from Aldi, and it's from a box, and so I made that. And then sweet potato that has been baked. I baked those yesterday. And then a salad. So Ellie had most of one meatball, and then I put a couple more on her tray. And then I have banana and some raspberries, and then some more veggies. Some more veggies that I will kind of mash up for her a little bit. And then Nathan has the same thing that I'm having, and we have some Baby Ray's secret sauce and barbecue sauce. So we'll have that with our chicken. So that is what we are having for dinner. Oh goodness, Ellie. And all I have to say is look at that face. Are you all done? You all done? Yeah, all done. So she had some of her vegetables. She loved the banana, not so much the raspberry. She had about 2 meatballs. That was the 3rd one that she did not have. And then she ate the rest of 1 pouch of food. She had like 2 partially eaten pouches. She had the prune one, the rest of that, and then maybe a few bites of this one. There's just a little bit left of that food pouch. But she has turned into quite the eater. Oh, is it night-night time? Is it night-night time? Alright, I'm gonna get you cleaned up and go night-night. And if you guys want to know any recipes on anything, just let me know in the comments down below, and maybe I can make a video on how to make certain things that I made in this video. I tried to show some of it, but I ran out of time this evening, and so I quickly made it. I thought I'll show you the end result, but if you ever want to see how to make certain things, just let me know. Or if there's any other video ideas, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to click like on this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.